x squared equal to 73 plus y squared equal to 73 plus x. How do we find the value of x, comma y? The first thing we are going to do is to rewrite these equations. Consider this guy first. That will be x squared minus y equal to 73 if we move y to the left side. Likewise, this guy, that will be y squared minus x equal to 73 by just moving x to the left side. Let us call this guy equation 1 and this equation 2. The best approach to solve this equation is to subtract these guys. So equation 1 minus equation 2. The left hand side of equation 1 is x squared minus y minus the left hand side of equation 2, that is y squared minus x equal to 73 minus 73. Let's continue. X squared minus y minus times y squared, that is minus y squared, minus times minus, that is plus x equal to 73 minus 73, that is simply 0. So x squared minus y squared plus x minus y is equal to 0. But you will observe that we can just put these guys in brackets. X squared minus y squared is an identity, and we can write it as x minus y times x plus y plus x minus y equal to 0. Let's continue. You will notice that x minus y appears twice. We can pull it out. So that will be x minus y into x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This implies that x minus y times x plus y plus 1 is simply equal to 0. This also means that x minus y is equal to 0 or x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. From this line, x is equal to y. Take note of this equation, it is very important. Or likewise from this line, x is equal to minus y minus 1. Now, substitute x equal to y, consider this first, into equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is x squared minus y equal to 73. This means that anywhere we see x, we will replace it with y. So we have y squared minus y equal to 73. Y squared minus y. If we move 73 to the left side, we have minus 73 equal to 0. You will observe that this quadratic equation is not factorizable. We can use quadratic formula to solve it. Y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. From this equation, our a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1, and c is equals to minus 73. Y equal to minus, what is b? B is minus 1 plus or minus square root of b squared, that will be minus 1 all squared minus 4 times, what is a? A is 1 times, what is c? C is negative 73 divided by 2 times a is 1. Let's continue. Y equal to minus times minus 1, that is 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1 all squared, that is simply 1, minus 4 times 1 times minus 73, that is plus 292, divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. Y equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 292, that is 293, divided by 2. Let's proceed further. This implies that y is equal to 1 plus root 293 divided by 2, or y equal to 1 minus root 293 divided by 2. We have two values of y here. So, since x is equal to y, let me show you where we got this equation from. It's actually from this line. So let's proceed further. What we have to do now is to consider each value of y when y is equal to 1 plus root 293 divided by 2. What will now be the value of x? We just have to plug it here. So x is equal to 1 plus root 293 divided by 2. Since x equals to y, let us call this guy x1 and this y1. This means that the first solution, x1 comma y1, is equal to x1 is 1 plus root 293 divided by 2, comma y1 is 1 plus root 293 divided by 2. This is the first solution. Now let us consider the second value of y. When y is equal to 1 minus root 293 divided by 2. By plugging this value of y into this guy, x is equal to 1 minus root 293 divided by 2. Let's call this x2 and this y2. This means that the second solution, which is s2 comma y2, is equal to s2 is 1 minus root 293 divided by 2, comma similarly y2 is 1 minus root 293 divided by 2, 1 minus root 293 divided by 2. This is the second solution. Also, substitute x equal to minus y minus 1 into equation 2. Just as we did for x equals to y. What is equation 2? Equation 2 is y squared minus x equal to 73. This means that anywhere we see x, we replace it with minus y minus 1. So we have y squared minus y minus 1 equal to 73. Y squared minus times minus y, that is plus y, minus times minus 1, that is plus 1, equal to 73. Y squared plus y plus 1. When this guy comes here, we have minus 73 equal to 0. So y squared plus y, 1 minus 73, that is minus 72, equal to 0. You will observe that this quadratic equation is factorizable. So let's factorize it. Y squared plus y could be written as 9y minus 8y minus 72 equal to 0. Y is the common terms here. If we pull it out, we have y into y plus 9. We can also pull out minus 8 from these two guys. So that will be minus 8 into y plus 9 equal to 0. So y plus 9 is common. So we have y plus 9. Sorry. Y plus 9 times y minus 8 equal to 0. This implies that y plus 9 is equal to 0 or y minus 8 is equal to 0. Clearly, y is equal to negative 9 or y equal to 8. Thus, we have two values for y here. So, since x is equal to minus 1 minus y, let me show you where we got this guy from. It's actually from this line. So let's proceed further. What we have to do now is to consider each value of y Considering y equal to negative 9, when y equal to negative 9, so x equal to minus 1 minus, we now replace this y with minus 9, x equal to minus 1 minus times minus 9, that is plus 9, x equal to minus 1 plus 9, that is simply 8. Let us call this s3 and this y3. This means that the third solution, x3 comma y3, is simply equal to s3 is 8 and y3 is negative 9. This is the third solution. So let us consider the second value of y equals to 8. When y is equals to 8, this equation now becomes x equal to minus 1 minus 8, x equal to minus 1 minus 8, that is negative 9. Let's call this x4 and this y4. Thus, the fourth solution is simply x4 comma y4 equal to s4 is negative 9, y4 is 8. This is the fourth solution. Therefore, all the solutions that we have for this algebra problem is x comma y is equal to, the first solution is 1 plus root 293 divided by 2, comma 1 plus root 293 divided by 2. And the second solution happens to be 1 minus root 293 divided by 2, comma 1 minus root 293 divided by 2. This is the second solution. And the other solutions are 8, comma negative 9, comma the fourth solution is minus 9, comma 8. These are the required solution for this algebra problem.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please share your tips. Please tell me if this video was helpful and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my other videos as well. Have a good one.